Hello fellow Rosarians, thank you for joining me today. I'm down here at the water's edge and I wanted to share with you Winter Sun. Winter Sun is a Cortez rose and it's got a really pretty yellow color to it, but you know that I'm gardening in a really humid environment and this is rain damage here, and I like to share roses that are black spot resistant. I'm sad to say that in its first flush, Winter Sun is not disease resistant for us. Now, it is at the water's edge, so I don't know if that is just too much to subject it to. Let me see if it has a scent. I am not detecting a scent, but this bloom is just beautiful. So I'm not sure that I'll recommend this one. In fact, I might even pull it out to give another rose an opportunity to see if it works here. So thanks so much for joining me, Rosebuds. I will see you in the next video.